Cobra Sport exhaust in Sheffield. We're down here today at AET Motorsport. They've just purchased an M4. We brought a system down for them. We're going to fit a secondary decat back system in 3-inch bore. George is going to tell you all about what we're going to do next.
Right, okay, so this morning, as you've probably seen in the video already, we've already ran the car up stock. So we made around about 380 horsepower. As Max just mentioned then, we're going to put the catback exhaust system onto the car as well as the secondary decats. Now, once we've done that, just to be as scientific as possible, we're actually going to put the car back on the dyno, remain in stock map-wise, and then literally run it with the new exhaust system so we can see comparison today, same conditions as what it was this morning, now with your exhaust system.
So, we've got the system fitted. Just gonna show George what we've done on it.
Yeah, I'm quite clueless if I'm honest, because I've never looked at one of these before. So run me through what we've got essentially over stock in comparison.
Right, well, this is basically where we're running a primary catback system. So taking the secondaries out, keeping the primaries in, so it's still legal. Differences with this system is we're running it in 3-inch bore, which is 76mm. There's a lot of guys, manufacturers out there that are building in 70mm. So we're running it in bigger bore basically. Obviously you maintain your 76mm all the way down.
Was there a silencer box here on the stock one? So you've removed that completely.
So we've removed that, but what we've done is we've added an H-pipe into there.
Okay.
That basically balances the gas flow out.
Right, okay, right.
So that balances your gas flow out, and it does give better sound. We tried it different ways. We tried an X-pipe. We found that the H-pipe did create a better sound on it. Then obviously we're coming back. Rear silencer, and obviously we are maintaining the original valves. Yeah. So obviously you can switch it in your modes if you do want it quieting down a bit.
What about these then? Are these standard, or have we got, is that an optional extra?
Well, what we've done on this one is Nick wanted to go for ceramic tips.
Right.
We will have a carbon option coming out soon, which I'm sure Nick's going to want on there.
No doubt.
But with the car being black, I think it, the black bits is added on.
Looks really stealthy to be fair. Looks really smart.
Definitely. So
we're ready for some dyno time. So hopefully, again, as I mentioned before, we'll actually run the car stock again, tuning wise. The only difference between what we did earlier and now is literally going to be this system. So fingers crossed, we'll see some positive feedback hopefully. We've just seen dyno testing is now complete, and we're pretty happy with the feedback that the exhaust systems give us. So as we mentioned earlier, stock we ran 389
wheel.
89 wheel. We've now run
17 wheel horsepower.
Yeah, so 17 wheel horsepower is a huge jump just from
secondary cats
and catback exhaust.
No map.
Yeah, no map. So again, we've then gone and put the stage 1 VUDU software back onto the car. Improvements were not quite as big, but nevertheless still around 8 to 10 wheel horsepower improvement.
Yeah, on top of what you've already gained. So, I mean, obviously, on a stage 1, you've already turned it up, haven't you? The car sounds incredible. I mean, over the coming days, weeks, months, years, we'll be putting tons and tons of clips out on Instagram and things like that. Can't thank these guys enough for getting involved, and hopefully this is something that's going to work for both companies together.
I think the best part is it's not done yet either.
No, we've got primary decats to do.
Yeah, going to do primary decats next time, and then we'll do a bit of a road trip.
Yeah,
see what it's like.
Matt's going to take the car. go down to Cobra, fit the primaries, which of course then allows us to run stage 2 with horrendous pops and bangs, obviously, because that's what we do.
Super
flamer maps. But if I'm not here, he's going to take George with him, we'll flash the car, and then you'll get some in-car reactions.
Yeah,
all right?
definitely.